We got the 2023 Chrysler 300. This thing is an SRT. We have the 6.4 liter motor in here, the same motor from a Scat Pack. We're talking 485 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. There's 2,000 of these produced in America, 200 of them in Canada. This is one out of the 2,000 in America. Today we threw on this vibrant system right here. Let's start from the front though. Everything is stock, everything is clean. We have the stock catalytic converters right here. Goes into the stock X pipe. This is where we install those vibrant bullets, reducing that drone, still making it roar. In the back, the stock rear mufflers are still there, and we didn't touch the tips, so those are the stock tips. Guys, we do have the largest selection. You could always replace the tips in the future, but these look hard as is. We're gonna bring it down and fire it up. Let me know how it sounds in the comments. Also, check out gexhaust.com for any system shipped straight to your door.